Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install software update or firmware update. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, select settings icon from top. Go to device preferences. Select about. Under about, here we can see version. This TV has Android TV OS version 10. I am going to update this. Go to top, select system update. Now it's checking for update. Please wait. Okay, done. It shows new update available. Version of this new update is Android TV OS version 12.1.1. Size of the update is 762 MB. On right side you can see one download button. Select that button, that way we can download and install this update in this TV. If you are not seeing this update in your TV, that means company is not released this update for your TV model. Hence you have to wait. You have to keep checking this. Once this is available, then you would be able to download and install this update in your device. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.